There's something beautiful about people who have experienced deep suffering, but still are gentle with others. Those kinds of people don't get enough credit. To not let the hard things that happen to you win is heroic work. To drop the bitterness and still live with an open heart, despite it all, is a massive gift to the world. If you have been brutally broken, but still have the courage to be gentle to others, you deserve a love deeper than the ocean itself.